Hey, what's up guys, it's JB here again. Today I have another saber reveal. I have Bunge's ASP SaberForge hilt. This hilt is probably like the best hilt that I've ever seen in my entire life. This hilt, like, oh my god dude, like, look at this thing. It's so freaking bright. Look how bright that is, guys. No, I'm just playing. This hilt's over here. This hilt's really nice. This was powder coated by Pete Sandoval at Pete's Powder Emporium. That's what he calls his page. So I don't know the exact names of the body and the emitter and the switch section and the pommel. I just know that this is from their Obi-Wan, the Phantom Menace, and Attack of the Clones. It's based off of that, and this is of course the Graflex emitter. So it looks super nice. He powder coated it gold, or brass, whatever you want to call it, and then these sections right here, dark chrome. My lighting in here kind of sucks, but you guys can see that. I'm gonna turn on one more light just to see if it makes it better. Alright, so I think that made it a little better. So yeah, there you go. You guys can see it a lot better now. So it's super nice. This has a Prizm version 5, and of course it's running royal blue, green, and red, or red, green, royal blue, however you guys want to say it. In this instance it's red, green, royal blue for when you're setting up your values. So this saber is super loud. He has his 6 sound fonts in there. We're gonna go through those really quick, and then we are going to check out his blade colors that he wanted me to set for him, and yeah, we'll take it from there, guys. So this is Bane. I believe the font is called Bane. So there's your ignition. Just the hum. I'm gonna lower my camera just a bit so you guys can see. So that's the blaster deflect. Here's the blade lock. And the force effect. And some swings. So let's go on to the next sound font.
Control, you must bring control.
That's a custom boot up that I made for Bespin 2. Force effect. And that is Plagueis. Alright, 2 more fonts to go.
still have much to learn, my young apprentice.
And this is Pro Quai.
That this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force, but by our skills with a lightsaber.
And this is Count Dooku. And this is the Chosen One. So there are your fonts. Now we can check out the colors real quick. There are 16 color profiles in the new Prizm soundboards. So with this one, he has multiple red colors with different flash on clash. Just in case you guys are wondering why there's a lot of red. So I'm just gonna go through the basic blade color, and then I'll show the clash. So this one is more like a flicker. And this one adds like a whitish flicker to it. And here's like an orange blade. Here is a yellowish green. This red has like a pink flash on clash. That's really neat in person. And this is like a it's called Mauve or something like that on the actual manual, so I got it off of there. And we're back to our original color there. So Bunge, that is your saber. I hope you guys like it. Just to give you guys another close-up view of that. Very nicely done by Pete. Really nice saber, really loud. I also forgot to mention it has an internal recharge port. So I already mentioned to him, in order to get the chassis out the easiest way is to actually unscrew this body section, and then you'll have your wires here, so just be careful with that, and then you can actually get you can actually push the chassis down and it'll come out through here. Then you can screw back that and then just push the chassis back in when you're done charging. The new Prizms have deep sleep, which is awesome. So yeah, Bunge, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Later.